Okay, we're going to see how plugins run in Broadcast Power. Typically there's a plugin folder, it has all the plugins, but to access this folder, the systems need read-write access to the cache directory for the plugins. Okay, so to grant this access, what I will do is I will right click. Remember, you only need to do this if you're running the application as a non-administrator user, so as a user with limited privileges. So here you need to go security, edit, add users, and again you could you could just give full access to everyone, or you could be specific and dig in and grant access to individual folders and files in this application, in this folder. So now if I run the remote player host, what will happen is the application will scan the plugins directory for any DLL files like this guy here, and see if it has a definition for a plugin. Like this guy has a definition for a plugin. It's called the Now Playing Web Export plugin. To be able to run the application and run the plugin the first time, you need to define a configuration file. So the BP2X is telling you that the Now Playing Web Export plugin does not have a configuration file, and you need to create one. So to create one, I'm gonna hit OK. It's gonna tell me the same thing again because it checks twice, and then I will get the dialog box to fill in the details. The first thing it asks you for is a template file. We provide a template file in this directory here. It's called template HTML. So I'm gonna copy that here and select template. The output file name, I want it to be out.html. If you have an FTP server, you just provide the server name, the password, the username, the password, the directory where you want it installed, and the file encoding. Now here you can, I'm gonna specify ASCII, but if you have requirements for languages that have double byte characters, then you use UTF-8 or UTF-32. I'm gonna use ASCII for now. And we've got a series of media types to choose from based on which the application will export the details. So I'll have songs, jingles, and news clips. I don't want to, just click commercials as well. So you can see now there is a new config file. It's called Now Playing Export plugin. If you open that file, see now you can see that Broadcast Power has started. And if while this other thing is running, if I click on configure, I can see that I have a plugin, and the only action possible on this plugin is the configure plugin. I execute, I get back to the same setup dialog box. I will close those for now. Remember, if you close BP2X, it will not shut down. You could still access it from the taskbar. Okay, double click on it, it will open again. You could only exit by clicking exit and pressing the this button, the checkmark button, or you could right click on the icon and close it. And for BP2X to run, the remote player has to always be running, and this is the configuration file. As you can see, we have the FTP directory, the password, everything is specified in this file. You could have as many plugins as you want added to this folder, and BP2X will pick them up. There is a tutorial on how to define and create your own plugins, but for now that's it for the plugins. Thank you.